In this video, I will show you how to send TON from Binance to a Telegram wallet. First, open your Binance account and make sure you have TON available in your Spot account. I have TON in my Binance account, and we will send it to our Telegram wallet. In the balance section, tap on TON. If TON is not visible in the balance section, you can search for TON here. Once it's available, tap on TON. At the bottom, tap on Withdrawal, then tap on Search via Crypto Network. Here, we need to obtain the TON address from our Telegram wallet. So open Telegram, and at the top, tap on the 3-line icon. Then tap on Wallet. Here, tap on TON space beta, then tap on Deposit, and finally, tap on Copy Address. Now, let's go back to our Binance app. In the address field, paste the TON address from the Telegram wallet. Then, for the network, select TON coin. For the memo field, since the TON address in our Telegram wallet doesn't have a memo, skip this field. In the withdrawal amount field, you can enter the amount you want to withdraw, such as max to withdraw all available funds. Then tap on Withdraw. A pop-up message will appear, reminding you that you haven't filled in the memo field. Since there is no memo required for the TON address in our Telegram wallet, tap on Submit, then tap on Confirm, enter the code generated by the Google Authenticator app, and wait for a few minutes. Now, if you want to check the status of your withdrawal, tap on View History. If the status shows as completed, you can go ahead and check your Telegram wallet to see if your TON has arrived from Binance. As you can see, the TON coin from Binance has been successfully transferred to your Telegram wallet. And that was all. Subscribe. It's free.